Hello everyone, welcome to Centerspace's maintenance in a minute. Today we're going to show you how to unclog a tub drain, which is a common problem here. And in this location we've got a couple different types. One type just has a grate at the very bottom down here, and we'll take this off so you can see it, which is by removing this. All tools that you need to generally is going to be an Allen wrench and a pair of needle nose pliers and what they call a zip it. The ones with the screen, generally you can just lift this up and just clean it out with your finger around the screen. We'll pull this out so you can see it. Some of these do not have a screen, and you'd have to pull this out anyway, get the right size. You just unscrew this. And this comes off. But this, most of these got a screen on it like this, so you can just clean it out. If it doesn't have a screen, you end up removing this so you can get yourself access to here. And then what clogs these is hair. And you'll have a lot of hair right in here. You can use the needle nose pliers. And I just take it and dump them into the toilet and clean it out. And once I've got the majority of that out, then I take the zip it, and you just take it and you just push it down inside the drain as far as it'll go. You just kind of wiggle it around. It has little hooks on it, and you just pull it out, and it'll grab hair, whatever that's in the drain. And this actually has something in there. Pull it out, and then once you're done, you can put this back on. I just hand tighten these, and then you put the cap back on, and you can make sure that it's working good. And if that doesn't solve your problem, just give us a call. We'd be glad to help you. And thank you, and we appreciate you as a resident, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.